Genius Amazon Gadgets. This device is so cool. It's a wireless Bluetooth printer that doesn't require any ink. It prints Word, PDF, or photo files directly from your phone and would be great for students, business owners, or anyone who works from home. You can even use the camera on your phone to scan and make extra copies of any document. 12 early Amazon Prime Day deals. First is this automatic espresso machine that makes any coffee drink, and to go underneath is this quick dry mat that absorbs liquid instantly. This cleaning gadget that mops and vacuums at the exact same time. This wireless home security camera that's easily installed with its magnetic mount. This sink organizer that dries instantly when wet. This 7-in-1 grooming kit that suctions the hair while brushing to de-shed your animal. This robot that scrubs clean your tall high windows. These sturdy shower shelves that are rust proof and can hold large heavy shampoo bottles. This 3-in-1 charging pad for your bedside table. This rolling egg storage container. And this mess-free dispenser that drizzles the perfect amount of honey every time. 5-star reviewed Amazon bestsellers. This is one of the coolest things on Amazon I think I've found yet. It's a spinning globe that's powered by solar energy and the Earth's magnetic pull. Each unique design comes in 3 different sizes, including a stand for showcasing in your home. It would also make for a great original gift idea. 10 Amazon home finds I use every day. First is this dog bed made especially for humans that's great for napping, lounging, and watching TV. Next is this hose reel that has a smart retractable design that winds completely on its own. These cordless wall scones that are activated by touch have different levels of brightness and color temperature. This bathroom shelving unit that comes with 4 cups, an automatic toothpaste dispenser, and tons of storage. These wire-free Bluetooth speakers that are weather resistant and can stay outside year-round. This clear acrylic cutting board that requires no space in your kitchen as it can rest permanently on your countertop. These reusable ice cubes that will never water down your favorite drink. These folding organizers that keep your linen closet labeled and tidy. These greens I drink every morning for better energy and gut health. And this memory foam wedge that prevents your phone, remote, and other items from falling between the crack in your bed.
Amazon Summer Finds. This is a cooler that opens up into a surprisingly comfortable stool and doubles as a backpack. These UV stickers tell you when to reapply sunscreen again by changing their color from clear to purple. This portable mini juicer does an amazing job of juicing oranges and all sorts of other fruit.
On these super stretchy couch cushion covers on Amazon, and the fabric itself is super stretchy, and the elastic band allows it to fit around most couch cushions. It has an anti-slip so it grips the fabric, machine washable, wrinkle free, and protecting your...
My favorite kitchen Amazon purchases in 2023.
This black automatic soap dispenser looks super sleek on my counter and gives you the perfect amount of soap every time. Next up is this automatic touchless infrared motion sensor trash can. It's a perfect size for your kitchen, has a very sleek design, and keeps all the bad smells trapped inside. It's definitely one of my favorites for 2023.